Let's start it. And thank you very much about to being here now. And today we are talking about it, EDIH collaboration and EDIH networking, that kind of subject. And my subject is today AI roundtable concept for EDIH by Robocoast, what we have been building. What is the Robocoast? A little bit few words about it. That we are we are 9 region areas, and we will have 15 different university and appliance science from our consortium. Our target group is SMA, startup, large companies, and export and technology industry and students. Then you can hear to see little bit about it, our who we networking, and there's missing some partner. We have now collaborated 22 different EDIH partners, and then also other European digital application and collaboration and networking. Our mission is that Robocoast is a non-profit organization that has ambition to be a central instrument of the ecosystem for Industry 4.0 adoption, becoming orchestration and digital transform for export manufacturing companies in 9 regions and whole Finland, in particular SMEs. And as we play the role of point of entrance to easy access to services, which helps small and medium-sized companies boost their digital transformation journey. As I mentioned earlier, then we have 15 university, our partners, and our area where I come from, Pori. There we have a 150 robotics company, but in Finland we have 22,600 manufacturing company, whole Finland. And this 9 region area have 9,800 manufacturing companies, which produce 42% of Finland's export, and that's where we're focusing on. And today I want to talk about it AI Roundtable, which is co-development forum, which is puts experts, companies, and researchers to combine information about industry-specific best practices, practical condition, and progress model and challenges. As today we will hear it today that there's a lot of opportunities for companies. That's also where we're building on this AI Roundtable. And AI Tools project aims to develop AI Roundtable co-development services concept consisting AI Roundtable events, which we have been now 2, and then we will have about 10 events in this year time. And then we also have AI Roundtable co-development forum, the Slack platform, and then we have AI Roundtable continuous learning model. Because of the SMA, as today we hear it, that they needed to develop themselves and maybe personally, but also the company level. How we do this? We started to building our concept. We designed and implemented 10 AI Roundtable events. Then we go building about co-development discussion forum, the Slack platform. Then also we building website and getting more information about this. But then also we building other project for edification Robocoast platform, which we use it AI micro courses, that the companies who don't know really what is the AI, what maybe they need it, they can go to micro courses, they can go to online to see it, what is in AI, is it this fit for me, and that kind of things. Then we building continuous learning model. We offer the other like university courses or companies who give it the AI courses or somebody else. We are looking for those kind of courses which is free, and then we have cost learning courses, and then we offer them in our companies. Then we have communication and marketing material. Of course, we need to marketing this our AI roundtable, and then we also have co-development discussion forum communication. We have a lot of different discussion about there. Then we also collecting feedback surveys, interview. Then we evaluate all the time what happened in this AI roundtable, and building model at the same time. There's the subject, what you can see here, that AI roundtable, how can AI benefit your business, what we have it before. And not so few weeks ago, we have business intelligence data to support the decision. And now next time we will have utilization of artificial intelligence competencies and encourage, which is mean that also that skills there's a in this morning time the company HeadEye example is making things that everybody we have a skills. But sometimes we don't even know what kind of skills we have. That AI can also support it. They can look about our CVs and giving us idea that you have already these skills and you need it maybe these skills if you are applying for this job and that kind of things. That's what we're helping for especially companies and some employments and that kind of things. Then we have a predictive analytics and artificial intelligence in energy solution, which will become in June. And then some data analytics, data visualization, this kind of things. I'm not going to all this round, but this kind of events we will come. And our past events was successful, and what we decided that because we collaborated with other EDIH, that we have a Finnish language, the first part. Then second part, we have a Finnish language is the workshop. And third part and fourth part will be in English language. That time, we all EDIs come to same seminar by collaborated like Teams or Zoom or something like that. Then all have the same time them own countries, the similarities. Then we have this kind of events where we can share the knowledge for all of them. They have a lot of different companies. We have EDIH, then we have a lot of different kind of who participate these events and the certain subjects. And then we have a second one, which was AI Roundtable Business Intelligence Data Support Decision, and same things. First, we have a Finnish languages. Then we have second part was English languages, and then we have workshops powered by a workshop. And then after that, we come together and share the knowledge for large area from the European level. And some future coming, like as I mentioned about 13th of 5th is coming AI Roundtable Utilization, Artificial Intelligence in Competency and in Container. Then the next one is AI Roundtable Predictive Analytics and Artificial Intelligence in Energy Solution. This will be interesting about because of especially today is mentioned about this energy technology, because there's a lot of opportunities for companies also. And there's some who is will be speaker about Pori Energia, and then Bioenergy is investing in my area where I come from, Pori. They're just building on the factory in there, and they want to be telling about it, and they are looking for partner for AI partner example. That's why they are there. And not. But also by what I'm interested about to see future of AI energy solution. What is the future? I want to see especially the researchers, and I want to see a lot of different companies who are already thinking about further about AI. Then we have expert panel discussion, what opportunities will AI and energy offer? And there we have also financial solutions. There will be coming some business angels to looking for the companies. And then what we are now just started, not so long time ago, EDIH candidates, we would like to develop AI Roundtable service together with Alliance of Baltic Sea Regions, EDIH Manufacturing SMA support. And this is the partners, and you will hear very soon next to me also for Latvian Digital Innovation Hub presentation. And this is what we're building on. This is one of the things what we discussed about today, that we need to collaborate it together, that we can have one services, what everybody else can collaborate together. And that's the one of the goal. Now, then how to monitoring with the roundtable service development, then we always continues of artificial intelligence accelerator type of activity, because that's what we do, that based on lessons of learn and opportunities to expanding operation of AI roundtable co-development platform. As today mentioned about FAIR is in here also, which is the Finnish EDIH candidate of AI. And then also based on experience, a wide range of AI roundtable discussion and training, as we talk about today, about the training. That is one of the important things. And companies need it. They are not that level what might need it to be. Then also we support development significant experimental environment, test before invest. That is one of the important services what we need to offer. We just calculate that we have 30 different experimentation place in Finland in those universities, what they can offer for companies. Then we monitoring the progress goals of AI tools project, and we are looking about and then take responsibility as a project manager that we really offer those kind of services what company really needed, and we are really focusing those kind of challenges what company will offer for us. And here is our team. My colleague Mikko Puputti, which is the head of the Robocoast, then Tarmo Lipping, professor and director of University of Consortium of Pori, and then Jari Turunen, university lecturer and Tampere University. Thank you for attention. If you have any questions.